So there was a high-pitched noise that just came out of the car as I was braking, coming off of the freeway. We'll see if it continues to persist. It was as I was slowing down and I had the brakes going. I don't know if that was regenerative braking or what sound that was, but we'll see if it records again here in a minute. Currently at a stoplight that's red, and just waiting to see if the car makes the sound again. Sorry, it's a long light. There it is. It sounds like it's coming a little bit more from the right front side of the car. In other words, more towards the driver's side front. They sound mechanical in nature. So I'm accelerating. The car is now coasting. And braking now. It doesn't happen all the time, it happens sometimes. I'm at a stop sign. Coming off the brakes and coasting down a grade.